Historically, builders have dismissed websites as nothing more than glorified business cards. As a supplement to filling out your RFPs or working your referral list, it was assumed that all you'd have to do would be to stuff your website with keywords or phrases that your future clients would be probably using to search for your services, and that would land you on a search results list along with the rest of your competitors, and then hopefully it would be high enough up for your prospects to find you and then consider you and ultimately select you. But today, as we're all witnessing, search engines and language learning modules are no longer just providing a list of websites based on how many keywords they have stuffed inside them. Instead, they are generating paragraphs that are actually answering the searcher's questions. AI written overviews, summaries, even recommendations that in some cases eliminate the need to even click on a website. So today, in order to stay visible and competitive, you have to stop playing the old SEO game and you have to embrace what's next, GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. Now here are just a couple of examples of the old SEO tactics that builders like you are probably still using, and a couple of suggestions on how you can take advantage of the new GEO trend. Number one, obviously, keyword stuffing and rigid keyword targeting. Back in the old SEO days, you would take a couple of money keywords or phrases like home remodeler in your town or near me, and you would stuff them into every nook and cranny of your website, your headlines, your paragraph text, your images, your alt tags, everything. The problem is that generative AI like Google Overviews or Gemini, ChatGPT, etc. are no longer looking for exact keyword matches anymore. Instead, they're actually looking for context, authority, and how well your content is genuinely answering the questions that are being asked. To solve for this, you have to start writing conversationally. You have to build content around the intent of search and not matching literal phrasing anymore. Number two, generic blog posts for SEO. The old, outdated SEO tactics was just to fill your blog section, churning out generic cookie-cutter blogs like 5 tips for kitchen remodeling or why curb appeal matters like everybody else was writing. AI is smart. It can recognize if content has been duplicated over dozens or hundreds or thousands of sites. And if it smells that, it won't rank it, and it definitely won't let it appear in generative answers. To address this, you have to create authentic, experience-based content that your audience can't get anywhere else, based on your subject matter expertise, sharing case studies or explaining your process or talking about lessons that you learned. And number three, ignoring human experience. Old SEO tactics focused solely on what the search engine's algorithms wanted. But today, AI models are trained to pick up on user satisfaction signals instead. What content they're reading, how long they're staying on your site, and whether or not they're actually finding value. To get ahead with this one, write content that your users are actually going to want to read and save and share. The more that your visitors engage with your site, the longer they're on it, the more AI will value your site. From your services page to your case studies page, all the way to your long ignored resources section or your articles or blog, make your site trustworthy and purposeful, and make it easy for your visitors to dig deeper in your site so that ultimately your credibility and your craftsmanship will seal the deal. Search engines and AI tools are rewarding websites that provide trustworthy, genuine insights. If your website starts delivering value compared to your competitors who are still lagging behind, then the AI machines will start recognizing you as the trusted expert and reward you by giving you priority positioning and hopefully recommendations to the humans out there ready to give you their next project. SEO is dead. Long live GEO. If you as a builder recognize and take advantage of this phenomenon by modernizing your website so that you can share your expertise with clarity and confidence, you'll be able to ride the wave ahead of your competitors, get in front of more business opportunities, and become a louder builder.